Professor says a man must have the tools to fix things around the house, whether it's a flat screw, a star screw, a spanner, a hammer. A man should be able to fix things around the house. When a man has tools to fix things, then he can solve the problems in his life. A man by nature is a problem solver. Men should be able to find problems around them and seek solutions to them. There must always be people others approach to give solutions to a problem. A man must be innovative when solving problems. Just as you screw the door, you should be able to find solutions that solve definitely your problems. But a man who cannot repair things in the house is a useless man, an incompetent man. Because a man by nature solves problems, gives solutions, and leads others. So if you are a man, find solutions to your problems. Don't blame others for the situation you are in. You should always find a solution. There's nothing under the sun that does not have a solution. All problems, whether small, big, medium, have a solution. So a man must think within himself, find that screwdriver or tool that solves the problem in his life. A man should not give excuses to problems. He should give solutions. A man should always be one step ahead of any challenge that faces him. He should always be innovative and find a solution to any problem. Men